3 days in a row I've seen this pigeon, and he's collecting stuff for his nest, and every time I see him it reminds me of the Divine Masculine, getting what he needs for union, collecting things. And you may see this as a Divine Feminine doing this too, but I just find it fascinating. That's 3 days in a row now I've seen this pigeon. You can see there he's got something in his beak. He's showing it around. That's for his nest. He's going to take that back to his nest, and I just find it amazing. So I wanted to share that with you. The masculine doing what he needs to do to find what he needs for union. Amazing. Powerful. There he goes, up to his nest. Amazing. I just love that. I just wanted to share with you.